y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I go from this to a sleek bun. Not gonna lie to you, I'm not really ready to get rid of her yet because she's still giving, but she's also very flaky and I don't feel like washing my hair, so sleek bun it is. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this quick and easy sleek bun, just keep on watching.
No, I'm really just